Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 25th, 2025, and we're diving into Central Garden & Pet's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Central Garden & Pet has just released their fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their record EPS to strategic initiatives in their cost and simplicity agenda.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Central Garden & Pet reported net sales of $3.1 billion for fiscal year 2025, a slight decrease from the previous year. However, their profitability metrics tell a different story. John, can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. Despite the 2% decline in net sales, Central Garden & Pet achieved a significant increase in their non-GAAP EPS, which rose to $2.73 from $2.13 last year. This was driven by a 240 basis point expansion in their gross margin, reaching 31.9%. Their focus on cost efficiencies and margin improvements has clearly paid off.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Central Garden & Pet has been working on their cost and simplicity agenda. How has this impacted their operations, and what does their future outlook look like?
The company has made substantial progress with their cost and simplicity agenda, notably completing their supply network design project. This has improved customer alignment and service speed, contributing to an operating income increase to $250 million from $185 million last year. Looking ahead, they expect their non-GAAP EPS for fiscal 2026 to be $2.70 or better, indicating continued confidence in their strategic initiatives.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. How did Central's different segments perform in the fourth quarter, and what strategic moves have they made?
In Q4, the pet segment saw a slight decline in sales to $428 million, primarily due to the closure of their UK operations. However, the garden segment experienced a sales increase to $250 million, driven by strong consumer demand. Strategically, Central has exited the pottery business, which aligns with their focus on streamlining operations and enhancing profitability.
Financial health and liquidity. Let's talk about Central's financial health. How is their liquidity and debt situation?
Central Garden & Pet ended the year with a strong cash position of $882 million, up from $754 million the previous year. Their total debt remains stable at $1.2 billion, and notably, they have no borrowings outstanding under their credit facility. This financial stability provides them with the flexibility to invest in growth and return value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Central Garden & Pet has delivered a strong performance in fiscal 2025 with significant improvements in profitability and operational efficiencies. Their strategic initiatives and robust financial health position them well for the future. John, any final thoughts?
Central's ability to navigate a challenging macro environment while expanding margins and maintaining a strong cash position is commendable. Their outlook for fiscal 2026 remains positive, and they are well-positioned to capitalize on growth opportunities. It's an exciting time for Central Garden & Pet.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analysis. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Central Garden & Pet's performance in the comments below.